Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you that how to upload a patch file on Cisco ISE. Alright, so first of all you have to download the ISE patch file from the Cisco download or software download site, whatever the version is required. For example, what I did, I've installed 2.4, so I'm uploading the patch 13 to it. Alright, so what I did, I've downloaded the patch already, and let me show you. The patch is here in the download file, this one already, right? So now go to ICE, go to administration and maintenance. So you'll see that patch management, repository and operational data parsing. Alright, so you have to go to patch management and do one thing, click on install and the browse that file from the download, open. Alright, and then install. Now the ICE will be restarted, so it will take some time. Let's see in the maintenance table patch management. So guys, you can see that the patch has been uploaded into the ICE, and when the process will be completed, ICE will restart automatically. Alright, and you'll get the GUI access after a few minutes. So it will log out automatically and your ICE will restart. And then you see that the patch file has installed on the ICE automatically. So you can verify it from here, from the GUI, as well as you can verify this thing from the CLI. So let me access CLI of this ICE putty. IP address 192.168.2.112 and the port number is 22. Admin and whatever the password you have given at the time of installation. Yes. Now first thing you can check it, show application. So we'll say that patch is number 11 because I've uploaded patch 11. You can check it, show version with the help of this command. You can see Cisco Identity Service Engine patch version is 11 and install date is Monday, November 28. Alright. So the ICE patch file will be installed automatically and you'll get access after a few minutes.